So this is the 7 color flash LED. So it will flash 7 different colors. This is the signal or like power line, and this is your ground. So like when the signal comes, or like when the voltage comes on this line, and this is the ground. So like signal, and this is the ground. So I have directly connected to 3.3 volt for demo purpose, but you can connect to digital pin and can use that digital right high to turn on this LED, and can use digital right low to turn off this LED. The only important thing is on the data line, signal line, I have connected a 470 ohm resistor. So you can choose any resistor value like up to 1k, from 200 to 1k, because on this LED boards, like there isn't any resistor. There is one resistor on this board, but it's very small, so like this LEDs typically get burned very easily. So for safety purpose, like I have added an extra resistor here, 470 ohm. And for demo purpose, I have directly connected this to 3.3 volt and this to ground, but you can connect it to signal and can use digital right high to turn it on and digital right low to turn it off. So this is our 7 color flash LED. So this both are like RGB LEDs. So this is the SMD version and this is the DIP version. In both, like you have one ground pin, so this is the ground pin, and on which pin you apply the voltage, it will turn that color. So here this is blue, this is green, and this is red. So on which pin you apply digital right high, it would turn that color. And I have used a additional 470 ohm resistor. So always use an additional resistor when using LED to avoid the burning of the LED. So let's just see the demo with this SMD one. So again, this is the same like blue, this is one is red, and this one is green. So the markings are wrong, like it is showing red here, but this is green, and this is showing green, but this is actually red, and the blue is blue. So always use a additional resistor on the signal line, or you can put a resistor on this ground line also if you want. So these both are like 2 color LEDs. So here your signal and this is ground. So basically this is ground, and on which pin you apply the signal, it will show the color. For example, if you apply high here, it is red. If you apply high here, it is like green. So you have to apply low on the other pin. So if you are applying high on this pin, you have to apply low on this pin. So this is like red and this is like green. And remember, like always use a additional resistor. For example, here on the signal pin I am using 470 ohm resistor. The small one is also same, just the different size LED. So this is your ground and this is your signal. So this is red when this pin is high, so it will show red light, and when this pin is high, it will show this yellowish green light. So always remember, like this is the ground, and one pin you can turn high and the other you have to turn low. So this is red and this is yellowish green. And always remember, like to put a additional resistor, even though there is a resistor, but it is not recommended to directly apply a high voltage on this line, so use a additional resistor.